This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about air pot dispenser displays, specifically this Restpresso Coffee Dispenser Display. It's made of bamboo, and you can see here we have it in the natural color, and it's a dual air pot display. So you can put two of those great self-service air pots in there, right? And the whole unit is 23 inches long by 7 inches wide and 13.5 inches tall. It's also available in black in addition to the natural bamboo finish that we have here. So you have some great color options too. It's a nice one-of-a-kind piece. So this dispenser unit has a nice sleek, slim profile, and the two-tier design is going to allow you to put out two pots, whether that's regular and decaf or two different brews or just more of the same, that's up to you. But it's a great way to organize a self-service coffee station without taking up lots of room. The upper tier features an extra deep insert spot here to help keep that top air pot in place. And you can see the lower one has these nice angled sides to keep it stable. Each tier has a little recessed spot there for your customers to put their cups down while dispensing to help keep those in place. And the bamboo they're made from is not only eco-friendly and sustainable, making it a great resource to use to make these kinds of items, it's also durable, making these stands both nature-friendly and strong. It's both shatterproof and chip-resistant. So it's ideal for using in self-service coffee stations, for things like food stands and coffee carts, at event setups for your beverage stations, or just for cafes and bakeries that are looking to do a self-service station just to help increase their sales.